Business English. Unit 2. The Global Economy. Lecture 6. Global Forces. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lecture on global forces. In this presentation, we will explore the various global forces that are shaping the world we live in, including paths to prosperity, GDP and NI, and globalizing trends. The content of the lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about these elements: paths to prosperity, GDP, and NI, globalizing trends. Paths to prosperity. Since the fall of communism, a lot has been said about globalization, the tendency for the global economy to function as one unit, with increasing interdependence between different parts of the world. In terms of economic development, the world is divided into the rich industrialized countries or advanced economies of the West. The West is taken to include countries such as Japan and Australia. The developing countries or less developed countries, LDCs. Some are rural economics with very little industry. Others are at various stages of industrialization. They are newly industrialized countries, NICs. Some of these are middle-income countries, and some, such as the fast-growing economics in Southeast Asia like Taiwan and Singapore, the Asian tigers, are reaching the West's levels of wealth and prosperity. People who want to emphasize the difference between the industrialized and the less developed countries of the world often refer to the North and the South. Before the fall of communism, developing countries were referred to as the Third World, but this label is now falling out of use. GDP and NI. The prosperity of a country is measured in terms of GDP, gross domestic product, the value of its economic output. All the goods and services produced there in a year. GDP per capita is the total output of a particular country divided by the number of people living there. High national income can mean high living standards, high levels of wealth for people, but it depends on income distribution, the way that money is divided among the people of the country. Prosperity can also be measured in terms of NI, gross national income. This includes money coming into a country from investments abroad, minus money leaving the country to go to investors from abroad. This is the new name for what used to be called GNP, gross national product. See globalizing trends. The supporters of globalization, the way that the world's economy increasingly functions as one unit, say that it will continue to cause growth and prosperity to spread thanks to free movement of capital. Money for investment can be easily moved around the world. Trade liberalization. Obstacles to international trade are gradually being removed. Shipping costs that are ever declining, thanks to the efficiency of containerization. Telecommunications and computing costs that have fallen dramatically. In conclusion, the world we live in is constantly evolving and being shaped by a variety of global forces. These forces, including economic, political, technological, and social factors, have a profound impact on individuals, businesses, and governments alike. That is all for today. See you next time.